Good morning, boys and girls. We are in our All About Books unit. And this week, we were working really hard on our first booklet, All About Elephants. Before adding our books to our libraries, after publishing, we want to make sure and read it one more time. So follow along as I read All About Elephants. Elephants live in Africa. Elephants drink lots of water. Page 3. Elephants eat lots of grass. And our final page 4. Elephants are gray. So now that we're finished with our All About Elephants book, I want you guys to review the chart with me. How to write an All About book. First thing we need to do is to think of a topic. So why don't you think of a topic that you want to write about today and share it with mom and dad. And I'm going to share my topic with you. I was thinking that we can write all about lions. Now remember, you can choose your own topic. After we decided on what we're going to write about on our topic, we need to plan. And planning, if you remember, means we need to touch and tell what we're going to write on each page. So let's think about it. What do I know about lions? So I know that I have to draw a lion on my cover page, right? So I'm going to put all about lions, draw my lion, and I'm going to write my name. I know lions have like the hair and stuff. Ooh, that's the first thing I can do. On this page, I could put lions have manes. Manes are like that big hair they have around their face. It's all bushy and thick. So I could put that on my first page. On page 2, lions have teeth. Like, you know, they have those big, sharp teeth. I can draw my lion with his teeth sticking out. Then I can say lions have paws, yeah, because that's what they walk on. They have paws. That's their feet. And on my final page, I was thinking that maybe I can put that lions have tails. We all know lions have those bushy tails, right? Okay, so now that I have a plan and I touched and told everything that I wanted to share on my pages, I need to start drafting. And by drafting, we draw a picture. So we have to draw a picture that matches everything we said about our topic. Not only do we have to draw a picture, we have to add, yes, labels and a sentence. So let's see if we remember what I said. On this page, on my first page, I am going to put all about lions. I'm going to draw my lion. Look, I'm drawing my lion. See my lion? And I'm going to write all about lions right there. On my first page, page 1, I'm going to write about the teeth. His mane. I'm going to write about his mane. So let me label mane. Ah, so cool. On my second page, I said I was going to write about his teeth. So I'm going to write number 2. And I'm going to label his teeth. Ooh, see ya. And they're right there. on page 3, I said I was going to write that lions have paws. So let's label his paw. And on the last page, we talked about his tail. Yes, we talked about his tail. So now that I have labeled his tail, we need to write page 4 so that when I'm talking about it, we don't mix up our pages. So let's go back to the beginning. Now we have our pictures, we have our labels. Now it's time to start our writing. All about lions. Oh, wow, lions. I'm really excited about this topic. Written and illustrated by Miss Allen. Page 1. Oh, yes. See, this is why we number our pages and we add a label. So now we look at our picture and we have to make our sentences match our picture. So on this page, we said lions have manes. Period. Okay. So for my writers who need to remember how many words they need to put on the page, let's use our counters. So on page 2, see I labeled the teeth. Do you remember what we said we was going to put on this page? How many words is that? Okay, let's see. Lions have teeth. Yes, 3. So let's write lions have teeth. Period at the end of our sentence. Page 3. Yep, paws. Lions have paws. Let's say it on across our fingers or using our counters. Lions have paws. 3 words. Lions have paws. There we go. And our final page. Look at our picture. What do you think we're going to put on this page? That's right. Lions have tails. Lions have tails. All right, boys and girls. So let's put our book back in order. Remember to number your pages. And here we have it. All about lions. See our lion, he's all friendly, he's smiling. Lions have mane. See the bushy hair? Yes, it's bushy. Page 2. Lions have teeth. See, they're very pointy, sharp teeth. Lions have paws. Oh, see his paws. And page 4, our final page. Lions have tails. And we labeled his tail. So, boys and girls, today we thought about a topic, and our topic was lion. Remember, you can think of any topic that you want. And then we wrote all about one topic. We wrote across the pages all about lions. Every page was about our topic. Okay? So that's it for today. See you tomorrow.